Another really amazing tool that I can tell you in email, you can save a lot of your time. So guys, look at this tool कि ये emails आता है, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे emails आते हैं. Now this email, suppose there is this email, and ये email अभी नहीं देख सकते आप. You are not able to look at this email right now, but you want to get this email back later. Do you know how to do that, guys? So very simple shortcut. You see this clock icon here. There is this clock icon here. Okay, यहाँ पे clock का icon है. You can snooze this email. You can just click on this and you can click on snooze until later today, tomorrow, next week. You can even select a time. Like tomorrow is Sunday. I want this email to come back at 11 a.m. Now this email will automatically come back at 11 a.m. So this is the Gmail snooze tool. Okay. So this is an amazing tool. I will show you once more. Like in this email, just open the email and just click here. Or you can also press B. B is a shortcut. And you can snooze later today. So it will come back automatically. Okay. It will come back automatically. Another amazing tool, guys, that is really amazing is Google Keep. So this is keep.google.com. Okay, तो ये जो है ये totally free tool है. It comes free with any Gmail account, whether free or paid. Okay, this is Google Keep. You can open it on the PC. You can also install the Google Keep application on the phone. तो phone पर भी आप इसको डाल सकते हैं. So how to use this? Okay, this is a most amazing note-taking tool. Okay, so what is the special thing about this tool is that कि इसके अंदर में suppose I want to organize the work of say accounts department. तो बहुत सारा चीजें हम लोगों को याद नहीं रहता. We keep forgetting so many things. Okay, so what I will do is by clicking on this button here, new list. You see this, there is a button here, new list. Click on this and we can create a list for accounts tasks. And now you can write down all the work related to accounts. Okay, Rajat has to deposit GST. Okay, Abhinav has to send invoice for Honda. Okay, Dr. Rajiv payment for XYZ. So you see, जो भी काम आपको है, okay, check with CA for returns. Whatever work that you remember, you can write down here. You can make this list like this. Okay. Another amazing thing in this is that by pressing on this button, collaborator, okay, I can add the email ID, the Gmail ID of my accounts guy. Now, suppose my accounts guy is Sujit. He is my accounts guy. Now, this note will get instantly shared with Sujit. Okay. तो ये जो नोट है ये सुजीत के साथ में शेयर हो जाएगा. Okay. In fact, अभी तो सुजीत का ID यहाँ पे नहीं है, but I have my other Google Keep here. Look at this, guys. So this is the other ID. Okay. Now, if suppose this is Sujit, he can say, okay, this is done. He can tick this. Okay. And he can say, talk to him. He will do on Monday. Okay. Here he can say, we'll get this on Tuesday. And suppose उसको भी कुछ काम है आपसे. If he has some work from you. Okay. Need to discuss salary of new guy in sales. Okay. So now Sujit has updated this and you will find this. Look at this, guys. अपने आप update हो गया. So now whenever I talk to Sujit, both of us open this note and nothing gets missed. कोई भी task miss नहीं होता and this is a shared note between us. तो हमारा communication भी reduce हो गया. Because many times Sujit will come to me and he will get the check signed कि sir ये check sign कर दो. But now I say Sujit, you only come once, and when you come we will talk about everything. आपको कोई बात करना है आप भी नोट में डालो, मेरे को कोई बात करना है वो भी नोट पे डालेंगे. So this way it makes my job so much more easier. Okay, and okay, let me delete this. इसके अंदर आप colors भी कर सकते हो. You can have different colors. You can have different colors of different notes. You can also create. Okay, you can also create different categories like accounts related work. Okay, so you look at this. All my accounts related work is right here. Okay, so all the health related articles are here. Okay, all the inspirational articles are here. All the marketing related work is here. And then I have a note for every HOD, for Sujit, for Siddharth. See, for everyone I have this note. तो इससे मेरे सारे thoughts, मेरे ideas ये सब organize हो जाते हैं. Okay, so I would highly recommend you guys to start using Google Keep.